Good morning, friends. Myself Kavita Mahajan from Arts, Commerce, Science College, Dharangaon. In this pandemic of COVID 19, instead of as usual physical teaching, we are here for our virtual study. I know you all are active participant in your individual hobby in this quarantine. I am damn sure that you all are going to attend each and every video by me. Friends, let me welcome you all to this very important and life transforming year of Standard 12th. In the mission of your life, English will definitely be playing a very significant role. Now, we are going to discuss about our new syllabus with new book and coincidentally with new way. Front cover page of this book of 12th new syllabus is very appropriate and noticeable. It tells us importance of computer, television, telephone and such electrical gadget. It demonstrates the modern age and various type of mass media. It also shows great Indian writer and famous personality. Whatever we will learn in the book is given on the front cover page. So it is speakable and we can easily understand the inside of the book by observing this page. Opening page of the book is also very indicative and symbolizes us, the rising sun and going path to the horizon. It also shows the happiest boy who is eager to learn and going to college. QR code is also given for learning the book online or soft copy. I hope you all will enjoy the book. Now, I am going to tell you the content of our new course book. We have four sections in our new syllabus. In section 1, there are 8 prose. In section 2, we have to learn 8 poems. Those are very interesting. Each of our prose and poem is a lesson of life. The section 3 is for writing skill. We have some new topic for writing skill in that section. Likes, mind mapping, statement of purpose, drafting a virtual message, etc. This year, we have been introduced the genre of novels in last section. You would get familiar with the technique of novel writing and different aspect of novels like story, plot, character, etc. Friends, we will start our first topic in section 1 means 1.1 an astrologer's day. Before starting this topic, we will complete the activity naming icebreakers. Means breaking icy condition of our mind and prepare our mind active to learn the lesson. First activity is what are your strength? Strength means best qualities or abilities. Here we have been given a table with an example. With the help of example, you have to complete the table. Example is strength, painting and drawing. What do you feel so? Can visualize, express. Dream career, commercial artist and cartoonist. I will provide you one more example. Strength, dancing. What do you feel? Passion, expression. Dream career on the strength, choreographer and artist. In this way, you have to complete the others activity. I am sure you will complete onward activity on yourself. Dear student, we are going to discuss about a short famous story, An Astrologer's Day, written by R.K. Narayan. But his full name is Rasipuram Krishnaswamy Iyer Narayan Swamy. R.K. Narayan is famous for his novels, short stories, and travelogue. His writing is distinguished by humor and unoffending irony, a unique Indianness, and a simplicity which is utterly charming and authentic. Narayan typically portrays a peculiarities of human relationship and the ironies of Indian daily life. His style is graceful, marked by genial humor, elegance, and simplicity. Here, some of his most famous work. His first novel is Swami and Friend, published in 1935. The Bachelor of Arts, published in 1937. The English Teacher, published in 1945. Then we have The Guide, published in 1958, won him the Sahitya Academy Award in 1961. And later, the same novel has been adapted for screening and it made a very successful film with the same name, The Guide, in Bollywood. You can watch that movie so that you understand this novel and R.K. Narayan. Next famous work is Waiting for Mahatma, which published in 1955. The Painter of Sign, published in 1977. Mr. Sampath, published in 1948. The Financial Expert, published in 1952. The Man-Eater of Malgudi, published in 1961. The Malgudi's Days, published in 1943, a short story collection. In that collection, R.K. Narayan created the imaginary town of Malgudi, where realistic characters in a typically Indian setting lived amid unpredictable events. And his stories are characterized by a simple style and subtle humor. The same short story collection has been adapted for screening and it made a very successful series of serial with the attractive music. The next famous work, An Astrologer's Day and the Other Stories, which published in 1947. An Astrologer's Day. How the title is apt for this lesson? A day is described in this lesson. That whole day is very important in the life of an astrologer as well as his customer also. Student, first passage is appeared on the screen. Have a look at the passage. You have to read this passage carefully for detailed activity. Then I will tell you a short summary of this passage. The passage starts from punctually at midday he opened his bag to it was a remarkable place in many ways. The first passage of this lesson is very important. It leads us to the next story. The passage describes the detailed description of an astrologer. The passage gives us what astrologer require for his profession, his equipments, his appearance by which everybody is attracted towards him. Friends, the second extract is displayed on the screen. The extract starts from a surging crowd was always moving up to he carried home at the end of a day. You must read this extract carefully for detailed activities. After your reading, I will tell you a short summary of this passage. The location which is fit for the astrologer's profession, that is also given in this passage. It describes the local area where people are not much more illiterate. The location is that where people can easily believe on such a people like astrologers.